So you have a tenant for 4 years, they pay their rent on time, even early every month, and they never make a maintenance call. Dream tenant, right? Check this out. Anybody want some cereal? No? Ugh. Well, that's nasty. So the bathroom, that looks like dirt and mud in the shower. No, it's not. It's raw sewage. So the sewage backed up into the bathroom. I assume he just didn't want to call me. I don't know. There's actually footprints in the shower too. So he was still using it, and that was raw sewage. I never got a phone call. This guy paid his rent on time every month, even early most months. Never had maintenance calls. So I just didn't go in. Do your inspections. Go in every 3 to 6 months at least. Monthly would be great, but at least every 3 to 6 months, check on your property and make sure that this isn't happening to you. Check on your properties. This is an expensive mistake, so learn from me. Don't be me. Check on your properties. Guys, if you'd like to see the process of cleaning this up, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I plan to get it cleaned up and renovate the whole property and do a couple of videos on that too. So we're gonna make this a nice property again for somebody else. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Let YouTube know that I make decent videos, if you think I do. If you don't think I make decent videos, then that's fine, pass on it. Don't hit the thumbs down button though. All right guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.